Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by verifying the essentials. Identify the TV's HDMI, component, and coax inputs so you know where each device goes. Connect power and place the antenna as high and clear as possible. An attic or near a window improves reception. If using a set-top box or streaming stick, plug it into an HDMI port and power it up. Once done, ensure your router is active. Make sure wired Ethernet is available for devices that need low latency to avoid buffering. You now configure each device so signals route correctly. Set the TV input to the HDMI or coax port you used, then power on the connected box or stick. This lets the TV recognize the device. For antenna users, run an automatic channel scan so the TV maps available broadcast channels. For set-top boxes, follow the on-screen setup including resolution and region settings. For streaming devices, join the local Wi-Fi and sign into your streaming apps. This grants access to live. You finish by optimizing picture, guide, and reliability. Fine-tune the antenna direction and try an amplifier if some channels are weak. Small position changes can yield big improvements. For streaming, prefer Ethernet or move the router closer to reduce packet loss. Once stable, verify program guide data and sign into any live TV subscriptions you need. Make sure firmware on the TV and boxes is up to date. If something goes wrong, reboot the device. Check cables, then rerun the channel scan or network test.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.